Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use the city's Report a Concern form, located on the city website. If you go to taylortx.gov, you will find the Report a Concern button located below the rotating banner. Once you click the link, it will take you to the form to submit your concern. This form is located on the Acela website, the platform the city uses to manage reported issues. Once there, you will need to enter the city's name and hit Select Location. You will then be taken to the next screen that contains a list of departments that you can submit a concern to. Within each of these department links, there are various concern options you can select. Once you've selected the department and the concern option, you will then need to fill in the address where the issue is located. If you don't know the exact address of the issue, you can drag the map pin to mark the issue's closest location. You can also enter in a brief description of the issue and a photo if you need to. The information you submit will be kept private and can only be seen by you and a City of Taylor employee. Once you're done filling out the form, hit the Submit button. A drop-down menu will then appear, asking if you would like to sign up. Signing up is not required to fill out a Report a Concern form, but it is necessary in order to track the progress of the concern you've submitted. You also have the option of submitting anonymously by hitting the Skip button, located here. You can also log in if you already have an account. Once you have submitted the concern, a City of Taylor employee of the department the concern was submitted under will be notified. If you do sign up, you can track the progress of the issue on the main page after you log in.